Hey, how you guys doing? Dante here. If you guys didn't know how to say my name, well, the futures are in the green. Right? Piper Sandler downgrades Apple, and the 10-year is at 3.94, while WTI and Brent crude is up. There was a rally potential, and the S&P earnings is crawling, just not galloping. Diversification has been the big theme. So look for predictable investments that should focus on quality and not much growth. All right, because the majors in European markets are also trading in the green. The bond yields over there have moved higher. The FTSE 100 retailers are trading lower, while the European oil and gas markets are moving higher, and they are the leaders. All right, there's 83 million packages delivered on time by FedEx, and overall delivery has gotten better. While trucking and warehouses rates have dropped, returns have going into its peak season. All right, in the home markets, there are 10.6 trillion home equity. That's what all homeowners have. Last third quarter, they spent only like 1/4% pulled their equity out. Now, there's a chip grant to reshore production and have more jobs in America and encourage private investors. Meta shares that was sold by Zuckerberg are worth over $100 million. The egg supplier was found trying to rig the market, and Humira is looking to drop off of their stock price because of the generic twin drug supply out there on the market. There's 54 billion in missing withdrawals and 250 billion in lost spending when it comes to the home equity market, all right, where people would have pulled out for remodeling and when cashing out, it's at a 90% rate, which last year was averages over $80,000. Now, mortgages is all about personal math. All right. Now, the Dow nearly lost 300 points. Incentives and mechanics are more nuanced nowadays. The rate cuts didn't show up in the minutes when the Fed spoke. Then there's an economic outlook with greater inflation reports to have mature borrowing costs and a wave of refinancing to the delinquency market, which is on the rise. Now, the new keyboard that Microsoft is coming out with is going to have an AI button. Eli Lilly is launching a Lilly Direct, so you can find a doctor with their affiliates like TruePill, and is adding more price transparency. Eli Lilly is also going after providers who are using their weight loss drugs for cosmetic goals, and Eli Lilly is also dealing with an access problem. Health companies and industries are going to be more digital. So also look for Apple's evolution reset to be hit, evaluation reset to be hit hard. Yeah, just look for their reset to be hit hard. So what does that mean for me and my business? It means a lot. You know, when you're in a marketing and distribution business like I am, what do you look for? You look for trends in the market. And what do we also look for? We also look for how can we get the most bang for your buck? And how can we make the customer feel more incentivized to spend money? Well, we try to do what we've been doing, and that's offering higher quality of products. All right. Now, we have the only USDA organic farms in the world. So if our farms are making essential ingredients like acerola cherries or chai seeds, and we're using those ingredients to fuel our finished product. Our jobbers are going to send that product to the warehouse. We're going to see like, hey, we'll give our independent business owners a 10% cut. All right. Because why? Because they spent that $76 to be all for the year to be an independent business owner. And what else? We're gonna show our independent business owners how they can make a 10% profit. All right. Oh, other than that, we're gonna see how much performance they have. So we're gonna give them a performance valuation, because a product that is not a sample most likely has a PV, a performance valuation number, and a business valuation number. So they're going to see how much of a performance valuation number IBOs have at the end of the month. All right. So if right now it's the month of January. So they're going to see what percent rate is going to be equated to the business valuation, to the performance valuation. So if the performance valuation, let's just say you get a 3% rate at 100 performance valuation level. If you're at the 300 valuation level, it's 6, then it's 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31. At 31, you're going to have to be what we call a silver for 6 months in a row. So you're going to have to be a platinum to get at the 31% level, is what we call a ruby, where your performance valuation is at 15,000 or above. All right. So as you wheel and deal over 350 products over 350 products in the business, just products that are manufactured. Okay, they are manufactured. Some are on back order because they are really popular. I love products that are on back order because then it's first come, first serve. That means you got to order in, and they cancel your back order if it takes 45 days. But most of the time, they can put it together within a week. Now, I like how this business works because they find, so your percent rate is multiplied times your business valuation for performance bonus payment. So what do you do if you're a business associate? Well, you want to collect as many customers as you can. And you just want to do what advertisers do. You want to send them stuff. You want to send them ads. 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 You know, like, some people are like, I don't like ads. Well, then you don't know what to buy. If you don't like ads, you're just going to look and see what the next person is buying. You're going to buy. That's an ad. All right. Don't say that you don't like ads. Saying you don't like ads is like saying you don't like money. All right. Because advertising is the spearhead of the economy. You hear everything, what's going on. People promote, say what they're going to buy, show what they bought. It's all advertisement. So don't be shy in this business. Be fly in this business. You got to stay fly with it. And how you stay fly? Stay fresh. Stay up and coming. All right. And what's the up and coming trend? It's always been the trend. It's called sharing. All right. Because If you share some of your performance bonus with the people who help give it to you, you're going to be on fire. So, if you want to make 2 to 3 figures, you can expect like at least a 6% bonus. If you want to make 4 or 5 figures, you got to jump up. You got to jump up to here. This is the 4 or 5 figure route. All right. That's the 4 or 5 figure route. If you want 6 figures or more, you gotta jump up to. You gotta jump up to here. This is your 6-figure plus route. All right. This is where you want to be. Now, how do you do it? Well, your customers are only going to do a third of what you do. So let's just say all you do is buy. Well, if you buy $300 worth of stuff, expect your customers to buy $100 worth of stuff. So what do? You find 12 customers. So then you can capitalize or find more than 12. Find 120 customers. Find more than 120. Find 1,200 customers, 12,000 customers, 120,000 customers, and just show them the business. You know, how they take it is how they take it. Be your best self. And hey, it works out. And always, 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 always close with the question of, can we meet up again? Because that's how you build the bonds. So they can be like, yeah, we can meet up again. So that's how you build the bonds, so you can set up a way to have fun with the money. All right? That's what it's all about. Just let me know if that's a great idea. All right? So talk to me later.